Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're back in Twisted. Yeah. We have a high risk, and not just any high risk, but probably the most insane high risk I have ever seen in my entire life. I am not joking. Just a minute ago I got like 259 mile per hour winds from a rocket probe. But I'm using Dominator 3 at the moment on a second account. I know you might be saying, Ollie, that's cheating. Shut up, I can play whatever I want. And I can play however I want. But yeah, let's have a look at the thermos. Okay. Yeah. I have no words. Yeah, the bridge to Varroa is gone. So, temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit, dew point is 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which, well, the dew point is kinda low. Cape is literally exploding. 6,336 joules per kilogram. And 3 Cape is 141 joules per kilogram. 0 to 3 kilometer lapse rate is 9.8 Celsius per kilometer. 3 to 6 kilometer lapse rate is 8 Celsius per kilometer. Precipitable water is probably the most impressive. 0.8 inches. I cannot make this up. Storm relative velocity is 502 meters squared per second squared. Another amazing thermodynamic. But the two things that might be holding the tornadoes back is relative humidity. 56% and 37%. Both are quite low. And on composites, wow. Okay. Significant tornado parameter is 14. 14. And then violent tornado parameter is 4. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have tornadoes that can only happen in like a super outbreak. That's what's gonna happen today. So we're gonna have a really good day for tornadoes today. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there'll be 2 circles for players. I'm right now on which I'm recording. I'm at Prior Lake, and on my primary account, yeah, I am recording on my secondary account. My primary account is down there in Varroa. Gosh darn it, spawned the default TIF 2. That's not what I wanted. So, yeah, let's wait for a storm and hope for the best. Okay, it looks like we've got a storm forming somewhere to the northwest. You could just about see it forming way off in the distance. But there is a storm there, and I need to be quick if I want to get my taxi, you could say. Well, it's not really a taxi, it's more of my own vehicle that I am also going into as a passenger. Or I guess an IMAX film or whatever. Okay, my ride is approaching. Yep, there it is, my TIF 2. Let's get in. I'm going to be using this for some of the time we have in this TIF 2, because I don't know how long we're going to last in this thing. But yeah, I've got 3 probes instead of 2. My primary account has 2 plus TIF 2. And it can only hold 2 probes, so whatever. We have a tornado on the ground. It's already yellow TVS. We cannot see a funnel just yet. I don't think so. I don't think we can see a funnel yet, but it is on the ground. Oh, yep, funnel cloud. We have a funnel. We have a tornado. That looks to be a cone. Orange TVS. What's that? Is that another storm? Might be. I'm gonna do a bit of an intercept with this tornado first, and then we're gonna move on to the other storm. That's my plan. It is currently red TVS. So that's promising. Pink TVS! Pink TVS! Oh, now it's back to orange. Right, we need to get into the center of the EAS, because that's likely where the center of the tornado's track is. Oh, pink TVS again. We have some vehicles here. Right, is it headed towards us? Looks it. Although it might go towards the south. Yep, it's going towards the south. Turn around. We're going into the debris field. Deploy here. Close the hatch. Get some probes down. 2 probes. Alright, I'm gonna get 2 probes down too. Get in, get in, get in. Oh, that was way too close. Oh no, it's going to the north of us. Oh, there's debris. Got debris. 127, 130. Oh, I hear damage. Oh, there's a barn here, damn it. 135. Both probes on 135 so far. I think that's as high as it'll go. I am not going to risk undeploying just yet. Yeah, it seems safe now. 135 miles per hour, not bad. Not the greatest either. Get back in, get back in, get back in. Where is it? There it is. Get my probes too. Alright, there's another tornado over there that has also got high potential. Oh god, look at the velocity. Oh my god. We just missed 200 miles per hour. We just missed 200 miles per hour. Damn it! Oh well, we've got a second chance. Let's go. There you go. Let's go. We're gonna stay at the relatively low speed. It's very violent at the moment. That northern tornado is massive. It's like halfway there to the edge of the map. Or at least half and half, like in the map, and one is. It just shifted. One of them shifted east, but I'm gonna stay with this. Oh god, black velocity. Black velocity. Massive violent tornado. Yeah, 5 strength is likely. I'm gonna put one of 3 probes down. There's 1 probe. Trust me, it's a good idea. It's a good idea to place down probes before the intercept. Or at least, like, beforehand, in case the tornado shifts. Oh? Might have shifted a little further south. I'm gonna go south a little bit. Winfield. Deploy. Probes, all probes down, all probes down, all probes down. Get in. For my main account, I'm gonna put 1 down. I'm not risking 2. Uh-oh. Oh, I might have shifted more south. I'm gonna look at the map. Oh, extremely violent. All vehicles evacuate. It's too late for me. Oh, 105, 108. 113. 115. Oh no. Ah, darn. Not again. Very underwhelming north side. $126. I don't know if it's safe to deploy. It might be weak. Oh no, it's not weakening at all. Safe to deploy. Get my probes back. That was quite underwhelming. Let's go. I think Welsh is destroyed. Yeah, there's some debris stuck in the air. Oh, it's partially in Hazleton, and there's a new storm in Hibbing. So if we want a backup storm, we can always use that one. Hydroplane. Oh. We have a violent tornado. Oh. Violent tornado. Look at that. That is very violent. That'll give us a better view. Oh, approaching Winfield. I'm in a Winfield. That's not the biggest Winfield I've ever seen. It's quite small, actually. I'm gonna risk it. I can hear debris. 124. Close hatch. The hell? We made it through. I got like 120-ish. I'm gonna go on the road towards Almora. Look at that. Please don't be a dirt road. It's a dirt road. Damn it. You can still do this. Still do this. Don't worry. Go, go, go. We have a tornado emergency. Stop here. And... deploy. Get one probe out. Get back in, get back in! In! Oh, that was way too close. Oh, we already got 100. That was too close. Okay. Oh, we're intercepting. We're intercepting. It looks kind of weak though. Oh no. Oh no. We're in the funnel, but we're barely getting any wins. And yeah, very, very underwhelming. Oh, hold on. Redemption, 106. Okay. Stronger northwest side, so I'm guessing the western side's a bit big. Or at least a bit strong. Alright, we only got lucky that time. Where's my probe? Oh, there it is. Alright, let's go. We've got rotation approaching Fire Lake, so we're gonna head south. It's for the northern tornado. It's a red TVS still, so that's quite a strong tornado. We're going with the south. We're going with the south storm. Already a yellow TVS. We've already got a yellow TVS, that's good. Oh, but it's headed for Fire Lake, so not good. We've got a storm over there. The storm is like right over there. You could see it. You could just about see it. There's the dust cloud. I can see the dust cloud. It's still yellow TVS. So that gives us a bit of time to wait. And like move around a bit in case it shifts. This middle drill bit tornado is like no longer a drill bit. It's hitting Hiram. It's hitting Hiram. A lot of damage. Multiple attacks, I think. Oh wow, hold on. I think that might be getting a little bit big. That might become a wedge. I'm gonna get my drone out. Power flash this on the middle tornado. I'm gonna see if there's any debris. I don't see any debris just yet. It's green TVS, so it's very weak. Oh, dust cloud is encompassing a farm. Red TVS, debris ball. What is that? What is that tornado? Debris ball, you could just see that. You could see a debris ball in there. That is probably one of the strangest funnels I've ever seen. And the debris ball's still there. I'm looking at the velocity on my main account, and yeah, it seems to be shifting in and out of orange and red TVS. The debris ball seems to be leaving as well. I have no idea where it's going. Okay, we've got some more people going on a different road, so I'm gonna go there because it might have shifted. I'm gonna keep a lookout on... Oh! Middle tornado lifted. Middle tornado has lifted. Got tornado attack here. Pink TPS, and it's big. Oh. Wait. The middle tornado technically is still on the ground. It's just showing... Oh, never mind. It's lifted. Let's have a look at it. That was a big tornado. Okay. 2,000 feet. Okay, wow. Oh, gosh. Go south. South, 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 south. South, south, south. Go south. Get to everyone over here. We're in the wind field. Deploy here. I'm gonna put one probe down here. Damn it. Get in here, get in here. I'll put another one down here. Get in, get in, get in. Oh, that was close. 97, 99, 120. That 125. Oh my gosh. Violent, extremely violent tornado, massive wind field. 150, 149, 152, 153, 156, 158, 165. Oh gosh, okay, this is not good. This does not look good. 179, 200, 208, 212, 213, 225. It's extremely violent tornado. One of my purposes is about to die as well. Oh my gosh. Extremely violent. Oh, 226, 227. Oh my god. We're leaving the funnel, okay. So it's gonna weaken. Or at least the winds will. Oh, 192. Extremely violent tornado. Okay, wow. 227. It is not safe to deploy that. Undeploy, I'm sorry. Where's my engine off? There, engine's on. Pink TVS with black velocity. Black velocity, that's not good. It's safe to undeploy. Safe to undeploy. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible. My probe is literally like a smidge away from death. We're blasting off north. Okay. That's actually honestly terrifyingly beautiful. It's terrifying and beautiful at the same time. Multi-vortex. We've got a multi-vortex wedge on the ground. That is not good. Debris! There's debris. That might be hitting her. And it sure is. Okay, there might be a debris ball in there. There might be a debris ball. Yes, there is. Okay. Look at that. Oh god. Oh, debris. There's debris right in front of us. I just saw that. Might be getting a little bit weaker, honestly. That is incredible. Incredible debris ball. Well, it's not the biggest I've ever seen. I've seen a bit bigger, but that is still horrible. Oh my god. All people evacuate from anywhere that is close to Hiram. Oh gosh, yeah, that's headed even further north. That might be headed for Chandler. If it stays at that strength somehow, then that'll be bad news for Chandler. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of Welsh Tornado Chases. If you enjoyed it, then please like and subscribe. Yes, I know, I've switched to R15. Sad, I know, but you can still say I'm a bacon. Because of course I'm a bacon. I don't mind being a bacon. So yeah, if you want to have a look at the thermos for this day, yeah, here you go. You can pause it here and then, boom. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.